I'm Steve Foraker, founder and CEO of SES. In this demonstration, we will build code at lightning speed, straight from English written requirements using our AI technology. Not ChatGPT, not Bard, not Einstein, but our own proprietary AI, so there are no additional licenses to pay. SES is native to Salesforce. And it builds requirements, generates AI automated code, improves output through code quality analysis and review, and automates creation of technical documentation. SES speeds up delivery, and simultaneously increases quality beyond the capability of all other code quality analysis tools. Since making this video, SES has been improved, so that the developer does not need to make any adjustments to the code that you will see during this demonstration. So let's get into a demonstration. Let's open SES. We have a requirement which is to check the validity of a postcode, and also an email. We're also going to format the postcode. And only if that passes we will insert an account using that information. So let's just make sure that no accounts actually exist other than the account that we're going to create. There are only these accounts. We're going to create an account, called Steve's account. Now, let's run the timer so we can see how long it takes to create this code. And let's now open the AI tool. Start the AI. This will search for functions within this system to fulfill our requirements. And if SES can't find any functions from the system, it will reach out to some other connected Salesforce systems to search for matching functions. Once it's found a match, it will use each individual matched function to generate new code. SES has now completed the search. Let's open up the task again. If you want, you can open the code and have a look at what SES has created by clicking here. This is the code that SES has created. Now, let's copy the generated code. If we go to the developer console, paste in the code produced by SES. SES produced this function, and has declared the function correctly. We will now tidy up the code a little, but in recent improvements the developer does not need to do any changes to the generated code. SES found this function to validate the postcode. This function validates the email. And this function will format a postcode. And finally, this function inserts an account into Salesforce. The function does state upsert, but will do both insert and update, and we wanted to insert. SES doesn't consider the names of the functions, which could mislead SES. Instead, SES considers what the functions do, which is more important. At the bottom of the generated code, SES has created a skeleton test method. But we're not wanting to create any test methods in this demonstration. So this will be removed. We can now end the timer. If we wanted to compare against how long it would take a developer to produce this code, SES has produced in 3 minutes and 34 seconds, and would be much quicker now. The developer no longer needs to make changes to the code. A developer could not read the requirements, search the system for suitable functions to fulfill the requirements, and build new code in the same amount of time. And, if the functions could not be found, the developer would have to build new functions. Therefore, would take longer. SES found the functions and built good quality code, containing try catches and database save points. Let's now test the function. First, create some code here that we will copy. Set this to Steve's account followed by the date. The postcode goes here. Set an email. Now open Salesforce and refresh the accounts. And as you can see, Steve's account has been created. Click into that and go to Details. The postcode was correctly formatted, in uppercase, and entered a space. Let's go back to the presentation again. To get in touch with me and discuss further, please contact me at this email address. Or find more details at our website.